Hello and welcome to Northeast Media Hub, the fastest growing digital media platform. I am Adelbert Khar with the latest Hub news. Be informed, be alert. Social Welfare Minister Kermen Shella said that the government is waiting for the Independent Inquiry Committee to complete its probe into the alleged rice scam. The Meghalaya government had earlier instituted an independent inquiry headed by Justice retired Mool Chand Garg of Madhya Pradesh High Court to investigate the scam. Shella further said that if found guilty, strict action will be taken against the company. Local MLA and Chairman Meghalaya State Planning Board Lambor Malngyang on Saturday inaugurated the upgradation from single to intermediate lane, including improvement of Shillong Jowai Road to Nongkram Road 4 kilometers and Smith Nongkram Road 3.30 kilometers at a program held at Yeopur Singh Nongkram East Khasi Hills. Malngyang expresses gratitude towards the Nongkram Dorbar Pullun and the public in general for supporting the developmental activities taken by the PWD, which will directly impact their lives in a positive manner. A 12-year-old boy was among the several people killed in Assam's Darang district during a deadly anti-encroachment action. According to sources, Sheikh Farid, a 12-year-old boy, got caught in the crossfire while coming home after picking up his Aadhaar card from the local post office. The Assam government has cancelled the recruitment of the Assam Power Distribution Company Limited or APDCL on charges of irregularity. Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma on Saturday said a fresh recruitment test will be conducted soon. The development comes after 10 persons were arrested in connection with a cash for jobs scam on Friday. APDCL OSD Dipankar Dhingia was among the 10 arrested people. Moving on. 6 candidates from Manipur brought laurels to the state by clearing the prestigious UPSC for 2020, with Parikshit Thaudam securing the highest rank from the state at AIR 60. Waikom Nidya, Heikrojam Prasanjit, Shetrimayum DP Chanu, Hatchinghoi Haukib and Laurambam Nelson Manganj are the other 5 candidates from Manipur to clear UPSC. A total of 761 candidates that include 545 men and 216 women have cleared the examinations. The UPSC said that the top 25 candidates comprise 13 men and 12 women. Single-day COVID-19 recoveries continue to surpass fresh cases in Arunachal Pradesh as 55 more people recuperated from the infection, while 30 new infections have pushed the tally to 54,316 on Saturday. A total of 53,639 people have recovered from the disease so far in the frontier state. Arunachal Pradesh currently has 404 active COVID-19 cases. Eminent women's rights activist, poet and author Kamla Bhasin passed away on Saturday after a battle with cancer. She was 75. A social scientist by training, she was actively engaged with issues related to development, education, gender, media and several others for over 35 years. The chant of Azadi, which echoed across protest sites in the country, is said to have been popularized by Bhasin as a feminist slogan against patriarchy. The Central Board of Secondary Education is likely to conduct the Term 1 examination for Class 10 and 12 in mid-November this year. Students planning to appear for the CBSE Class 12 exams can visit the official website of CBSE and keep a check on it. The CBSE board exams generally begin in February, but due to the second wave of the COVID-19 pandemic, the exams were delayed. More than 82.57 crore COVID vaccine doses have been provided to states and union territories so far, and over 94 lakh doses are in the pipeline, the Union Health Ministry said on Saturday. Over 4.15 crore balances and unutilized vaccine doses are still available with the states and the union territories for inoculation. Under the universalization of the COVID vaccination drive, the central government procures and supplies free of cost 75% of the vaccines being produced by vaccine manufacturers in the country to states and union territories. The Kapil Sharma show makers have again found themselves in trouble as an FIR has been filed against them recently in the district courtroom of Shivpuri, Madhya Pradesh. The grievance is based on an episode of the Sony TV show in which the actors had been consuming alcohol at the stage while acting in a courtroom scene. The complainant alleged that the actors disrespected the courtroom's prestige and further said that such display of sloppiness should be stopped. Here is an important public announcement. Walk into any vaccination site on vaccination day and get vaccinated. No prior registration on COWIN is required for vaccination. Don't forget to carry a valid ID card for registration during vaccination. For further details updates, visit nhmmeghalaya.nic.in or call toll-free helpline 14410, issued in public interest by National Health Mission, Government of Meghalaya. Thank you for listening to our podcast. For latest news and updates, follow us on www.hubnetwork.in. Download Hub News app in your mobile from Google Play Store and Apple App Store. For promotion and publicity, write to us at info@hubnetwork.in. Thank you. Kublai Shibon, Mithela.